sounds like it's coming from the back. Okay, now that my condenser fan just stopped for a brief second, which I'm gonna have to unplug it and then undo the water line, but I've already picked out my tools to use on this project, and I'm having to use the mini and the big bro, combination of both. I got the Hoto with, take in and out those screws for that back panel. Which I've used already to get to the last video you saw of the fan. I'm gonna need the Olight, the Wiha bits. Gotta take the water line off from the wall. I'm gonna use the Knipex. We got the Titan, small ratcheting mini dealio there. And then of course the Wera with an extension with a, bit on there. So wish me luck. Got the new fan. I'm gonna unplug everything and see if I can fix it with these tools. Stay tuned. Oh, by the way, this is the reason why you need a bigger brother, so you can put a lot of these or maybe all together. Yeah, we'll see. Hang on. Oh yeah, success. Listen how quiet that is. See, it works. All right. Okay, as you can see, everything worked. Thank God. Anytime you're in a project, and this is the first that I've really done with appliances, okay? I'm a hack around the house. So, these things came in handy. I just ran out to the garage. I'm like, hey, I might need this one and this one. Grab them all in one hand. Pick the tools that I needed. And after doing this, I'm like, yeah, and I have the pack coming. I'm making a bigger bro. So I could take these and put them into this bigger one, right? I might still keep these in here because I don't want to overlap the tools. But I might need the bag, if you get what I'm saying. So the tools are getting larger as we go. And in fact, you might have saw this laying out on the counter. I had a problem with that water, the water line to the refrigerator. I tried to tackle that. Well, I didn't say try. I said tried, but I tried to do it with this at first, and it kept on slipping. And you just need to get used to how thin this nose, or the total teeth mouth area is versus the 6-inch Knipex, right? And then I have the 10-inch. So, I was like, well, I'm kind of done with this. So I ran out, grabbed it, and then I decided, nope, I'm going to finish the job with what I grabbed, and this worked out fine. I just need to do, get it out a little bit more, and it worked fine. So, again, guys, thanks for watching. I'm making the bigger bro pack soon. Tools coming. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and have yourself a good day.